well,
This should be
I thought you can say, hey, Facebook, take a picture. Yep. Inside.
You can. So if you actually do that,
So here.
Can I call it something other than Facebook?
Can't change that. Have you ever?
Are you reading?
so it's a part of it. You do the technology. So the technology side is and Ray-Ban is the style.
So is there?
It actually does have where it stores your no, anyone could say it. You can't just press it.
Is there an?
Yep, right here with silver button.
Is there plans for a double down?
Oh, let's see the lights. No, but it's too close to record. You can use Siri.
Yeah, it's already connected, so.
You can still use Siri.
Does it work with Bixby?
It does. Yes.
Not that I've ever used
Siri. Any of your phones, it's connected to your phone. Yeah. You don't have to even, you can just say, hey Siri.
I don't know where mine is.
And it will activate. There it is. You have to import it first. That's me. So you have to import first.
Right now it's just throwing it.
And then join.
And since that's over
Bluetooth, it doesn't actually use any data to transfer the calls over, right?
Well, the demo unit is on Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Can you choose to do it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth,
Depending on if you're in a Wi-Fi area.
It doesn't allow you to choose it necessarily. It's not like a site you can go specify which one you want.
That's actually pretty
I think it's the best. They are. Oh, you took a picture of it.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, they are. How do you know? What's the difference? Yeah, they're all.
What's the resolution of the image?
No,
I'm recording right now.
Yeah, you have to
Do I get like the recording link?
Yes, you have like, you can look in the mirror and
take a picture of your Yeah, so you're recording right now.
60 seconds. So do people get like the clear for just having it, or do they get more like the sunlight? Swap lens?
So you can actually swap lens here. Probably if you want this as a video, you can have it description lenses on the
No, absolutely. So then you have all these other styles.
description lenses you can put in, you can put in your, and then you have like the lens place put it in for you. The picture requires
No.
So how is it?
Recommended to buy them directly from like the website.
Okay. If you can send a prescription in, you can send it.
There is a company called Lindsay Blue. Yes. What ones do we get?
We have another.
They're all the same technology. Now for style, I have no clue. It's more than likely for sure they're going to be the Wayfarers. The Wayfarers are this. I think it's
probably just going to be example.
well, they actually be they may be the
How good is the light?
I love the perspective.
Yeah. So you can actually
Your camera?
Yeah.
So check this out.
Yeah.
We're gonna come in and we're gonna do a flashback. So this actually animates that image for you in a very cool way. Yeah. Check this out.
It's like you're holding out.
And you can actually do more of a symbol. So if you actually want to kiss the ring.
That is really that sick.
Absolutely. It's not playing me?
I don't hear anything.
That's not only is it a photo of that photo, it's like take a step back, and the team is always going
Alright, cool. Now you said we launch this. When you get it, I'll start the project. Safe to stand outside the circle?
It has to be outside, behind this line, yeah. Let's just calibration. Behind the line.
Are you good?
How do you like this one so far? It's cool. It's a comfortable feel, right? Like it is. Showing you my apartment. I like the homey beige tone. Yeah. It's nice. All right, you should be displaying on screen now. is amazing. Without a green screen or anything. Little bit of desync. So is there a full trial experience, or do they just request something to try when they want to come try something? In terms of the demo?
Okay, was there some assistance?
Yeah, like is there a
Really good. I feel like that is assistant.
No, you're just looking good from our side. Is there like a demo walkthrough where it'll take you through a few different games all simultaneously and like go one?
No,
two,
so
three?
it's so basically the end is going to start for you. We'll take you through the series, and then you have.
I feel like I need to go golfing.
You can choose between 4 experiences: Beat Saber, Supernatural, VR. We're recommending everything else besides Beat Saber. Beat Saber is so like
Yeah.
but yeah. And then you choose that one, and then you'll have like a 15-minute demo within the game.
Is there a plan in the future to incorporate some sort of global thing where it'll automatic? It's like you just run one thing and it'll show like an experience, and then put you in a game for a second, and then move on.
Nice shot.
Yeah.
Keeps going just a little red. What's that called? Is that a vice?
Yeah,
Slice.
as I know, from what I know. But
Same thing happens
do plan on incorporating games that aren't MRC enabled.
Tried to correct it, went too far.
We just want to see how this works out. I think the main purpose of what the games we have now is just that, to show off the different ways you can experience it. Like VR fishing is just a calm game where you can see the scenery is really nice. Golf, I don't think anyone would expect golf to be like really fun in VR until they try it.
Yeah,
Supernatural
it's definitely slept on.
Yeah, then Beat Saber is outside.
Oh,
That's
good.
There it is.
beautiful.
I don't want to shoot again. Do I have to?
No, I think you can stop while you're ahead.
There's the tip.
Keep going for a little bit.
I don't want to though. I just did so good.
I know you did, but I want to get this full recording.
They're still scanning your vitals, so
Yeah.
gotta keep going.
Still scanning my what? Who said that? See, I should have finished on top.
One more big hit to end it off.
Skillful
So you're
shot.
not actually in your apartment.
In my last ball.
Just an
Oh, that was it.
Put you back into it, son.
In my last ball.
Top golfing?
My kitchen is always slightly bigger than that one.